So I'm trying to give you best of my presentation, and no doubt we will learn some unique concepts. It may happen some concept may known to you, so revise it accordingly. So please bear with me for couple of minutes or hours, and no doubt language may be the problem because uh, the participants are connected from various part of India, and I'm there. I'm belonging to Center India. So let us move towards the presentation. I'm sharing my screen. If there is some technical issues, tell me. I hope uh, I'm
Yes, yes.
comfortably shared my screen. Okay, so I'm sharing my PPT. PPT is the mode by which I can put my views in front of you. Once again, thank you very much for joining me. This is Dr. Akhilesh as an expert explaining something related to research, related to software tools, related to publication, related to paper writing, and many more. In this 5 days FDP, you all are connected for this 5 days FDP, and this 5 days FDP is based on research, paper writing, and publication in Scopus journal. So let us move on. What will be different concepts and issues we can discuss? That is our basic learning domains. This is NEP 2020. By mistake, it is zero is not typed over here. NEP 2020, then research, innovation, publication, and plagiarism. No doubt, all these things we are considering in between research paper, publications, and Scopus. Very simple domain. This is, you can say that today's main agenda. I think everyone is aware of NEP 2020, new education policy. It has been launched by Government of India by 2020, year of 2020. And this policy is mainly focused on research. Means in education, the research was missing in education. For example, regular degree programs, BCA, BSc IT, BCom, BA, BTech, research was not there. What happens? Students are not aware of research. So Government of India has launched new education policy, and they have concentrated, they have emphasized mainly on use of ICT, use of ICT and research in the syllabus or curricula. In curriculum, they will learn about research. Basically, what is the problem with research is uh, mainly MTech student know research, mainly MPhil student know research, but BTech student are not aware about research. MSc students are not aware about research. What is the problem comes to this issue? When we are saying someone is not aware of research, then what happens when at the time of interview for PhD, they don't know what is research, what is project, what is application, what is software, or what is the key difference between these terms. This is the main problem. Really, I'm belonging to computer science background. What I felt is MCA student and MTech student both are eligible for taking admission in PhD. But when we are taking interview of MCA student and when we are taking interview of MTech student, what we found that MTech student knows research, dissertation, project, research, dissertation, thesis, all these things. They are aware about all these things. But MCA students are not aware about these things. So this is the issue. Now, Government of India has changed their decision. And after NEP 2020, this is not a part of PPT. You can read this PPT. This is the basic points from NEP 2020. But from this year, from last year, Government of India has decided if you have a 4 year of honor degree, you can take direct admission in PhD. Means now BTech student is eligible for taking admission in PhD if they are scoring 75% and more. So how they are ready, how they are eligible for taking admission for PhD, because now our PhD is, sorry, our BTech is a research oriented program. BTech by research. This is what happens today, and this is what the change, and that is the reason what we are discussing here. What is research paper and how we can present our paper in Scopus and all renowned journal. No doubt, we'll come to that point, but there is need of know the application, because we learn everything but we don't know the importance of that thing. So we are coming to our next agenda, which is mainly research and innovation. Basically, I have to teach research and I have to teach innovation separately in these two domain, to this two area. First we have to read research, then we have to go for innovation. But what happens, research and innovation both are in cycle. Research is depend upon innovation and innovation is depend upon research. Means this is a cyclic process. When we are investing something, we are learning something, then by research we can generate ideas, which is known as knowledge. Whereas when we have knowledge, we can go for innovation and again we are earning. So this is what the cyclic process, very simple slide. And this is what our today's topic of discussion. And we have started this topic just because of uh, pencil bit. Thank to pencil bit that you are now going for research and you are giving your dedication towards research and innovation titles. Everyone think that research is nothing. Research is very simple concept. Research is बाएं हाथ का खेल है. This is not true. Basically, research is a journey, and it is not a short journey. It's a big journey. It's a journey in which you have to devote years of your life. Basically, research to publication, it is a journey. When you are going for research, you feel some hurdles. This diagram shows that there can be brainstorming, there can be different problem of preparation, process, writing, steps, idea. Okay, number of problems, number of areas in which you have to think of it. So I thought research is nothing but a journey, and in this journey, you are learning for various concepts, and this concept comes from your experience. So I'm expecting all the participants, please start this journey, or if someone who has started their journey, then try to find your milestones, generate your milestones. There is no end, no destination, but you can create your number of milestones. So basically, one question in our mind comes, what should a student or researcher consider before starting research? I hope my voice is clear and 100% audible. Am I audible clearly? I am expecting one response from your side. Am I audible? Anyone please respond me. Otherwise, I thought I am in okay condition.
Sir, yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for giving me a response. What happens actually, the meeting link is in backside of PPT. That's why, what is the problem? We can speak continuously and nothing will happen. No one is there for listening us. So what should a researcher start before starting a research? So what they have to consider, we'll discuss. But research is a concept in which you have to start thinking. So the good part is, well begin is the half done. So if you are starting something, then please you start your concept with confidence. Now it's time to say hello to the research. Okay, hello to research means what? If you are from MCA BTech background, then I have to say that they are not aware for what is research. They know they are doing something unique, they are creating innovation, they have developed unique website, and all those things are good, but they are not going for research concepts. So research concept is nothing but it's a journey from problem to solution, and you have to identify what is research and what it isn't, because what is project and what is research, this is what the basic theme you have to identify. Research is doable. Don't imagine only. Don't think something which is known as imagination or concept which is not practically executable is not a research. And very important concept is research is incremental. Incremental means you have to identify the person and change that concept one by one. You have to upgrade the concept. This is known as research. Very simple terms. You can take screenshots of the PPTs which you like more, because I have tried to keep English small as possible, because no one likes paragraphs. But somewhere there are some paragraphs just for my reference, not for you. So research process, in research process, realize that there is a problem. Look to see if anyone has solved it already or not. Develop a plan to solve it. Identify the problem and develop a plan to solve it. This is what the research. Okay. Identify the problem, solve it, and generate a plan. And if possible, evaluate your solution. Means this solution is required. Now, if solution finds, then broadcast your solution, because this is the research and you know you have to broadcast it because it's related to your name, your identity. Chaliye. Don't, I'm not giving you the bore concept. We are practical, hands-ons and practical concepts are there, but initial steps are there, which requires what? Building creation. Foundation is very essential part. So let us move towards myth and reality. This is really a problem which student or researchers find. Research is only for scientists and academics. This is the myth, whereas it is for everyone. Research always require expensive tools. No need to say this. Maximum tools are free also. We are discussing over Scopus publications. Maximum papers are free also. We are discussing for a number of top software tools today, and they are either free or you can try it for free. So no need to invest much more. Might only positive results are valuable. No, 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 no. Negative or unexpected results improve your quality, because you are not thinking about negative result and you are not thinking about unexpected result, and that unexpected result become your research. That is what true part. Myth is there. Research must confirm the hypothesis. I'm against it. Disapproving a hypothesis is also a valuable outcome. Mike, all research must be published in top journal. No need to say this thing, but I agree. If your work is too good, try to publish in top journals, top or topmost journals, but it is not compulsory. If you are not able to publish your paper in top journal due to any reason, you can publish your concept with many ways. You can publish in the form of patent, you can publish in peer review journal, you can publish in free concepts. Now, this is the journey in which you have to invest your 3 to 4 years around. Your friend and family support is needed. Need some financial support also, and motivation is the best concept before joining the research. Be motivated. Now, identify your purpose, why you want to become a part of, just to show off. just to put a doctor in front of your name? Or what is your objective? You want to open some company or you need some funding? Make your identity? You want some promotion sort of thing? You want to change your domain or just for degree? These are basic concepts. Out of around 50 to 60 slides, around 20 to 30 slides are somewhat theoretical, and then we'll discuss with some practical concepts. Bear with me. I am again saying, kabhi kabhi you have to attend such type of sessions to earn certificates. But my personal suggestion is that we are collecting best data for you, maybe useful or maybe not useful, but it will be part of your research. So don't miss any of the slide. Really, it will be helpful because I'm ready for somewhat original concepts. What to publish? So you can publish any new and original results because it is generated from your knowledge, your review, your experiments. I'm belonging to computer science, so maybe my example is related with computer science, but research concept is same for all the domains. You did your reviews, you have generate a summary. Of course, review and summary get more citation. When you are publishing some paper, maximum citation you will receive in review paper. So write a best review paper. No doubt, Scopus is accepting best review papers. What to do and what not to do, we'll discuss in incoming slide. Do not consider to publish result with lack of scientific interest, outdated work, duplication of work which is already published, incorrect data, incorrect conclusions which is not related to data. Means we have to create a strong manuscript. No doubt and no confusion that all the members here are interested to know about Scopus. Means quality publication, and publication is quality. Means your manuscript must be a powerful concept. I need your attention for writing process. This writing process is very important. I will be very happy if you are part of this session. How and why we have to write a paper. This is a journey, as I have already told you. Pre-write, collect some points, bullets, in which topic you want to think, brainstorm, gather some information. This is what pre-writing. Then prepare draft from this pre-written content. Draft is near to final version, and draft requires revision. Revision generates draft. Draft required revision. Revision generate draft. This is a cyclic process. Get feedback from someone. Make clarify your ideas. For every idea, identify some references. So what you want to try to say must sorry must be must be part of your session, your paper. This is what this is good line. Use great language. Means try to write with perfection. If you don't have perfection, don't worry. You can edit your content with punctuations, grammars, spelling, capitalizations. All these things are there. Number of tools are there, and publish your content, which is known as final product. Innovation. We have completed a research part. Now going for innovation part. This is the innovation part. As I am the computer person, I already talked. Computer science is the operating system for the all the innovation. Like laptop requires Windows, Mac, mobile requires Android. This is what requirement for basic research. So innovation is very important part. I'm unable to see your queries or questions. I think I have to move your part. Whether any query or something else? No. I have to say thanks to everyone again for listening this session. So moving forward, so let us move towards next part. This is innovation. Innovation. This is very good diagram. You can see what are the resources with you. Identify it. Find it. Generate your ideas. The available resource become the solution. So there is a way to do it better. Find it. This is the innovation. Number of concept you can find it, but available. You have to find available resources. Okay. So innovation is not a jadoo. It's a multi-stage process. Multi-stage that transform your idea into product. That transform your idea into product. So that transform your idea into product means generate idea, analyze it, and convert the idea into product. This is what innovation, improvement, and invention. These are the three terms which is interrelated with each other. These are simple English word terminologies. This is very good example. Invention to innovation. We are a little bit confused what is invention and what is innovation. Invention, this is invention, and this is innovation. I think you can identify, understand. Now, invention is nothing but ideas. I have to say, to find ideas, find the problems. To find problems, talk to people. Don't become Mowgli. Be connected. Not only socially, in real life also. So, generate your ideas from your experience. This is the research life cycle. What we are discussing? Innovation, research, then innovation. So after completion of innovation, I can say it's an innovation process cycle also. So we have to start with ideas. Ideas. See, all these are well-known terminologies. I don't need to explain it. Design your study, acquire the material, collect data, store data, analyze data, interpret the findings. Now it's time to write a report, publish report. Write report, publish report is somewhat similar to publish, write paper and publish paper. So this is what papers are published. Now newcomer or new one can search and discover from your published content. This is the journey, and this is in the form of cycle. Is it? So I'm again welcoming all of you in this 5 days FDP. This is Dr. Akhilesh Evav, which is presenting you this session as an expert talk, as an expert lecture. I am trying to identify publications. I have covered research, I have covered innovation, and now it's time to go for publication. These are basic topic. That's why I have covered in 10 minutes, in a 10 minute duration. Now, what is expecting from you is publication. So let us go to publication concept. Key elements of publication. There are multiple key elements: ethical issues, styles and languages, paper structure, component of paper, article submission, publisher's process, peer review process, and published article. I think no need to explain. Now, key components. If you are writing some paper, what are the components? These number of components. in which, title, author, abstract, keyword, introduction, method, result, discussion, acknowledgement, reference. If required, I will explain you at the time of hands-on. I will show you papers. Now, I'm going for the real concept which you are expecting. What you have to do is a short water break. Now, research paper writing tools. There are research paper writing tools. We are aware of MS Word, Microsoft Word. There are similar concepts, and this is a very basic tool. Everyone knows. No need to cover here, but it is they play a very important role. No doubt, the important concept is for researchers is to learn LaTeX. I'm requesting all the researchers to learn LaTeX if possible. Try to identify YouTube videos for LaTeX and write your papers in LaTeX format, because many of the journals accept in papers in LaTeX format also. But no worry, if you don't know LaTeX, go for Microsoft Word. You can go for Google Doc also. These all are text editors, and these are available with your laptops. I don't think I have to explain these basic themes. This is very simple, but use of this software is very important. Everyone say, I know Microsoft Word, but they don't know what are the plugins you can install for writing a research paper. I have said that now practical hands-on sessions begin. These are real terminologies which you have to use. Now, what we have to do is we have to download some different softwares for our research work. This is very essential part. We have to aware about these applications, which is referenced here. You can take a screenshot of this, because this is not only a MS Office, but there are a concept of Zamovi, Zotero, Google Drive, Grammarly, Quillboard, Mesh, DOI, Jan, ChatGPT, Bard. Okay. We'll cover Zotero, new term. If you are using MS Office, then install the terminology Zotero. Install the software Zotero. Just search Zotero, download the software. It will install plugin in your system, in your operating system, in your MS Word. Zotero is a bibliography or reference management tool. No doubt, I cannot cover completely what is Zotero, but I can explain you. I can penetrate this terminology in your brain that Zotero is something which we have to install. Zotero is a simple application in which you can create a bibliography. Remember what I am saying. This is also a site. There is one slide, Zotero. Okay, I'm going back again. Zotero. Zotero is citation management tool. When you are start your journey of PhD, if you are starting journey of some research in organization, any organization, so start using Zotero like software. You can use either of it, any one of it. I'm not saying use only Zotero or use only Mendeley, use only EndNote. No, no. You have to use one. Why? We know we are supposed to read some research papers, and that research papers we have to download it. Then we have to make a folder. We can prepare a Excel file for remembering those paper we are going to read. So in place of exercise, making these exercise, what happens? Number of papers for your research which you have already read, please add this paper in Zotero library. This is your library. Create your My Library in Zotero. What happens whenever you write a paper, there is a need of adding references. That reference can be automatically added by just selecting your reference papers and click OK. It will automatically prepare your citation or reference part also, citation part and reference part also. So this is a real tool which you have to use. Just remember, don't write paper before using of any one of these tool. If you are comfortable with Elsevier, Mendeley, go for Mendeley. No issue. Go for EndNote. no issue. You can use any one of it. Okay, we'll come again to this point. Come to back. Zotero is bibliography or citation management tool. Similarly, you are aware of Google Drive. Keep all your data, keep all your data in Google Drive. Grammarly, no need to say that Google Drive only. You can use any drive, OneDrive from Microsoft also. You can use any Dropboxes, no issue. But this is one example. Now go for Grammarly. Very good software. It's very good software. I will explain you the use of Grammarly after some time. It's no doubt it's a paid platform, but it gives you a platform in which you can freely use maximum level of grammar checking. Quillbook, it's a paraphrasing or plagiarism software. Mesh, basically Mesh is medical related platform, which is a database given by Government of India. This tool is useful for medical, nursing, biotechnology, like research candidates. Similarly, Jan is there. Jan is very good package, but again, Jan is similar to the same thing. If I'm writing Jan, but problem with Jan is it is related to biology. If you want to search something or you want to search title, you can put title over here. I'm copying suppose one abstract. I have abstract. I have some abstract. I can put this abstract over here, and I can find the journal which is matching to this abstract. These are the journal which matches these number of terminology. 1.8 matching out of 2. So how much matching with your concept is given by Jan? This is very, very interesting tool. Just remember this, note down Jan. But unfortunately, this is related to biology. This is related to biology. If you are putting some abstract, then it shows related papers. This is real problem for researchers, how to identify the relevant content, relevant paper for this, where it is cited, and how I can identify this paper, how I can identify its citation. Everything is ready-made available in Jan. You can open the paper directly, like this. Jan. This is the Jan. I like one scramble feature. Alphabetically it arranged how many time find word is there, how many time Jan word is there, how many time to word is there. This is the most attractive keyword for me. So this is the tool, but restriction is that this tool is related to biodomain. You can put your abstract, you can put your title and find something here. Even this is the tool in which you can put keys. Keywords are there. If you are putting some keyword, then it finds the paper related to that keyword. So this is one tool which we have covered. Now going for next part, Chat GPT. You are expert than me. How to use Chat GPT? This is friend of everyone now, but I have to say avoid this. Next is Bard. Bard. I think you are not aware of Bard, but you are aware of Gemini. How much of you aware for Gemini? एक लाइक या कुछ बताइए, अंगूठा देख के बताइए हम कितनों को जेमिनी मालूम है. जेमिनी मालूम है. टूल्स है ना हमारे पास. वी हैव सम टूल्स. ऐसा एक हम थंब दे सकते हैं. आप शायद जेमिनी को जानते हैं. कितने लोग जानते हैं जेमिनी? मैं तो जानता हूं और मैक्सिमम जानते हैं ऐसा मुझे लगता है. आई थॉट मैक्सिमम ऑफ यू आर अवेयर ऑफ जेमिनी. यूज दिस टूल if you know this. I'm expecting your response क्योंकि it should be both way communication. We are starting presentation on practical basis. हर एक कॉन्सेप्ट को हमें प्रैक्टिकल वे में तैयार करना है. आप नहीं जानते तो मैं ही अपने थम्स आपके सामने जनरेट कर रहा हूँ. सो नहीं जानते, कोई बात नहीं. जेमिनी इज एआई टूल फ्रॉम गूगल. इतनी देर में तो आप गूगल पे सर्च कर लेते. गूगल मोबाइल पर भी now you can aware that if you're pressing some center button, so Gemini will comes into picture. Gemini will comes into picture. I think I have to show this. This is Gemini. When I am pressing, this is what Gemini. How are you, Gemini? I can ask something. How are you, Gemini? This is the AI tool I'm from.
doing well. Thank you for asking. As an AI language model, I don't have feelings or experiences in the same way a human does. However, I'm always learning and improving, and I'm excited to be able to help you with your tasks.
Thank you,
Is there
Gemini.
anything specific you'd like to ask or discuss?
No, no. Thank you, Gemini. Bye. Thank you, Gemini. Bye.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you'd like to ask or discuss?
In place of Google Assistant, we have another option which is known as Google Gemini. And Gemini is AI tool. Basically, Google Assistant is searching tool. So the Bard is now converted and become a Gemini. This is the assistance, writing assistant, but it is a AI tool. Now, similarly, there are statistical tool. If you are interested to go for publishing your paper in Scopus, so your paper must contain statistical analysis, graphical analysis, calculations, discussion, and you must aware you must aware about such concepts which is related to statistics. See, in research methodology paper, you will learn chi-square test, ANOVA test, t-test, and various type of analysis. You must learn that, but you require tools for it. You require tools for it, and that tools may be your simple Excel. If you are not interested to learn such heavy tools, then go for Excel. Add plugins for ANOVA testing, or you can add different plugins in Excel. If you are not interested to go with Excel, what you have to do is go and learn Power BI. Power BI is again look similar to Excel. It's a product of Microsoft. Looks like only Excel, exactly Excel. Layman cannot identify whether it is Power BI or Excel. Learn Excel, in which you can generate different types of statistical analysis without adding any plagiarism. Without adding any plagiarism. This is what the statistical analysis requires. Remember, if you are thinking your paper has been accepted, so paper must have different types of flavors, and that flavors are in the form of graphics, that flavors are in the form of statistics, that flavors in the form of different types of discussions and epical tools. Now go for citation management tool, take a screenshot of it. I'm taking a short break of 2 minutes, and I'm taking a break. I'm not saying that you have to take a break. You don't have to take a break, because I'm trying to show you something which is related to EndNote. I'm showing you in my break time, I'm showing you somewhat which is known as EndNote. Oh, it's my hard luck or it's your hard luck? I have make ready this link with you for you, but I think link is not available. What we have to do is we have to find EndNote. Then you can find some videos for EndNote, how to use EndNote, As a reference, I am taking reference from
Clarivate is excited to
YouTube.
announce the launch of the Note 20 process, and then it will display a new blank
In EndNote, you can
folder like OneDrive or
create
network drives.
your own library and store your
For a new
reference
library.
papers. If it
Clarivate
is already
recommends showing-
downloaded,
Let's click
then
the new
from
reference.
if your this paper is already downloaded, then you can download it or manually type and enter these references, and you can prepare your library by looking this thing. These are your library of EndNote, or you can download citations, or you can export, and this export button is there, and ready-made all papers or records from 51 to 100, as in this example, all references will be add and prepared your library. This is your library which is prepared by you, and you can call, you can open any paper, you can find details of any paper. This is very good part. Just add it, prepare it, and similarly up you can download any paper of your references or generate your library. This is very simple concept. Now this is the concept how to add your citation. I think please watch this session.
EndNote adds a new EndNote 21 tab to the ribbon in compatible versions of Microsoft Word. This tab comprises the Cite While You Write commands available with EndNote 21. Suppose we want to find a reference from our library to cite while we're in Microsoft Word. In that case, we can position our cursor and click the Insert Citation shortcut to search any active library for matching references to cite. For example, we're searching for a term we know is found in the title of a journal article. After highlighting the correct search result, we can press the Insert button, and it will create an in-text citation where the cursor is flashing, and add an entry for this reference within a bibliography at the end of the text. We're formatting this Word document with annotated, the default EndNote output style. We can apply different formatting guidelines by selecting the Style menu on our EndNote 21 tab to choose another output style. Let's temporarily reformat with a numbered style like Vancouver.
So see this concept, very interesting part. This is the citation. You have seen two examples, different way of citation, how we can add citations. Here, Sagna Bagbila et al. 2023. This is the way of citation, one way of citation, and in the below part, this is the references. In this way, we can manage references. Otherwise, we can change the style. Paper to paper, they want different types of style. You can select one of this, Vancouver. So citation become in number in parenthesis, whereas the format of writing citation is again changed. You are able to see this. This is very ready-made tools. If just think, if this is a paper of 20 page, no need to move up and down. You can add any number of paper. See multiple papers by pressing Control key. You add, and these papers are added over here, and parallelly it create your references at the end. See this one. So this is what I would like to show you to show it to you, because this is very important part which you must show, you must see. So this is our PPT part. Let us move to next part, citation management tool. My request is go for any one of citation management tool. Now go for Grammarly. So Grammarly is, everyone knows, it highlights error. If I am writing something, it suggests me that you have write in wrong format. See, let us check whether it happens or not. I'm going for some word like content. I have to go for some editor. This is my MS Word editor. So I have opened. I'm writing something wrong. This has, I'm I'm confused how to write wrong. This has not book pen. I'm trying to write something wrong. If I'm writing wrong, is pen there for you all? So whenever I'm writing, it give me suggestion that you have to put space over here. not ये no होना चाहिए, and whatever. It suggests me some suggestion. So in research paper, it give me suggestions. I have to accept this suggestion. Clear? This is a very basic concept. But in case of any research paper, if I am uh, if I am writing papers, research paper or chapters, then it is my duty to check before sending to any authenticate location. Then we have to check whether there are plagiarism errors or not. My document is already plagiarism free because I have already checked every content and already grammarly checked. That's why it shows only 4 errors. Means they are updating their libraries and they are finding some new concepts. Okay. If some errors are there, you can go to that location. This is this is for premium user, yellow errors. And if there are red errors, blue errors, then you can update it. Okay. Next use is Grammarly is not only giving you ideas about uh, English grammar, but it gives one or two super experiences. Let me find it. If some example, I can show it to you. If some example is there, if I will be able to show some paper. Akhilesh, wow, give me some time. I am opening one research paper. If research paper is there, I don't know whether I will get success for this demonstration. I think for this paper, I'm not getting success for to show what I want to like to show. 1 minute. Wireless, wireless sensor network. I'm searching something. I'm opening multiple research papers. If I will get something for you, I will be very happy. If I will not get, no issue. Okay. Basically, what I am expecting is there must be activation of Grammarly, automatic activation of Grammarly, but Grammarly is not activated. Whatever, if it will activate it, I will show it to you whenever. Huh. Next question is how to generate a citation for this paper. This is the paper. This paper is from IEEE. This paper is available in PDF, but might be it is chargeable. It's not free. So how can I cite this paper if I like this abstract? I have read this abstract and I would like to cite it. So there may be some cite button and you can cite from this, or you can create your citation from this information. This is the information, this is the author information, this is the title. You can prepare this by your own, or you can generate citation. Number of sites are giving you ready-made citation. Just copy it and paste it into Word. There are plain text format, there are bibtext format, there are RIS format, there are ref files format. You have to go for plain text format only. This is what cite this. Very good part is that if I'm using chat GPT, you are well user of chat GPT, you can search any research concept. See what I am searching, I am expecting in all these papers, this is already available here. I would like to show it. There will be always, if website is not giving you, if website is not giving you citation option, if website is not giving you citation option, Then what you have to do is you have to install Grammarly. Grammarly, only by one click, it will give you a citation. You can change the citation format again. There are multiple citation format, MLO, MLA, APA, Chicago. These are the format in which you can uh, quote in your research paper that this is the chat GPT format you have collected from chat GPT. So this is what I am expecting, that all of you must see these things, how we can generate ready-made citations in a one click. Okay, let us move ahead. So Grammarly checks grammar, whether the content is punctuation free, comma, question marks, grammatical or typing mistakes. It identifies it. It's not totally free of cost, but if you want a trial version, you can use in for multiple times. No issue, no restrictions are there. Similarly, pro writing ads are there. MS Word is having different plugin tools, etc. Going for next thing. Now topic goes to another concept, UGC approved journal. What is UGC approved journal? It's a journal which is UGC approved. But now UGC approved journal is not a relevant terminology. Terminology gets changed. So don't confuse with UGC approved journal. There is no concept of UGC approved journal is remaining. All journals become UGC care journal. These terms UGC approved journals nowadays it misguides us that journal is UGC approved. For NAC, NBA, what are the expectation from management to you is you have to publish your paper in UGC care journal or Scopus, WS, yeah, SCI. So there is no concept of UGC approved journal. If you are getting anything from website that this journal is UGC approved journal, so don't get confused. It's not in existence. It's not considered valid. No doubt, before 2021, those journal was in UGC approved list. But now there is no concept of UGC approved journal number or journal list. Now, why there is need of objective? Why there is need of UGC care list? So there is a need of UGC care list to promote quality research, academic integrity and publication, prevent doubtful or substandard journals, to maintain the reference UGC care list of quality journals, and to develop a methodology and approach for good quality for journal identification. The main thing is you have to identify the journal. That is what very important. There are multiple clone journals are there, and clone journals are not countable. Even maximum journals are that preprint journals, and print journals you have to authenticate that your journal is printed, sorry, your paper is printed in authenticate print journal. Otherwise, channel is there which print and give you the reference that paper is published in official journal. Now going for another concept, this is UGC care indexing concept. UGC care indexing means there are two categories of UGC care indexing. And what are two categories of UGC care indexing? This is what UGC care website. You have to go for UGC care website, which is related to Pune. University of Pune is maintaining this list. University of Pune is maintaining this list. And if internet supports us, then I'm able to open this website for you. I'm very much interested to open this website. Okay, this is the website in which you have to find that this is Pune University logo, this is UGC logo. For India, all the papers which is in UGC care list is valid. Just prepare a login, keep your login always. As a research scholar, keep your login. And there are a concept of UGC care 1 and UGC care 2. See this. Okay, you can very much easily see this. UGC care journals are the journals which is in UGC care, but UGC care 2 journals are journals which is in WS or Scopus. So all the WS Scopus journals are kept in UGC care 2 list. Okay, as I have already told you, there are a problem with branding. Many of the unethical persons preparing their fraud websites or fraud print journal. So these are the list given by Government of India, or you can say UGC, that are not in UGC care because they are the clone journals. So before publishing your research paper in any journal, what is requirement? The requirement is find out the list from this place. These are the clone journals. You can see this is the print journal, this is the clone journal. Name will be remain same, website will remain different. There may be org, there may be .net, there may be .com, and there is some minor difference which your eyes cannot identify. So try to identify it or reject it. See, this is something different, this is something different. If information is here, UGC has shared everything with you. See, I am taking this example. I hope visible has screen. This is what I am unable to read. Elchona Chakra. Elchona Chakra, okay. .com. But here, this is .in. This is the clone journal. So please be aware of everything. Like online fraud, this is also a fraud sort of thing. So before publishing your research paper, identify your journal from this list. Now, how you can identify, how you can search? Just go for quick search. You need to create your login. After creating your login, you can search by title, you can search by ISSN, you can search by EISSN. I am searching by suppose title. I have to write computer. Suppose I have to search computer related UGC care journal. So I am getting some journal list in which computer word is there. Computer. So what is your responsibility? Your responsibility is to see or check the coverage year from 29 to present. Means this is okay. Active journal is there. You can click view and open the website from this place. This is the authenticate link. You can go or you can visit the website or journal website directly. Infocom journal. This is my journal in which I am available officially or legally. Okay. Any question? Can we take some questions from you? I think this is one-way communication till now. Any questions? If you have any question, we have covered around 1 hour. Any question from your side? You can write in chat box if some questions or queries are there. Thank you, Geeta ji. Now, in incoming slides, there may be a number of questions because we are covering now practically. More than slides, we are visiting websites directly to check what is the premium of EndNote. I think all these are number of softwares. No need to go for premium. For example, Grammarly, it's too much costly if you are purchasing directly for one user. So try to use trial versions, no restrictions as far as a research scholar is considered. Okay, what you have to prepare is you have to prepare one library with around 200 to 500 research paper. This is possible in free version. So let us move on. Now I cannot take questions because I'm changing my screen. So what we have seen, there are a concept of UGC care list. Find it. If you want to type 18074545, you can search by title 1807 07-4545. You can search by ISSN also. This website is somewhat slow because you can say it's a government website and accessing by all the members, all the research scholar to identify this. If some if some journal is discontinued, so you have to identify whether journal is discontinued or not. I think some typing mistake was there, so otherwise it will show you single line. So this is way of typing ISSN and EISSN. I'm not wasting again a time. Going to this is the remember this is the website ugcare.unipune.ac.in, universitypune.ac.in. I am typing this term in my chat box for your reference. So, okay, going to next. You can search directly from here also. Some journals are discontinued from UGC care. So don't publish paper after discontinuing because this journal is not in UGC care. Different notifications come. So please see these notification time to time because this is only for you. If you are a research scholar, you must aware about the notification by Government of India. What are the press release? What is the meaning of self-plagiarism? We will cover this topic. And what are the restriction government levied to research scholars? So this is very important notification that you have to cover one by one. So I have given you example of UGC care indexing, UGC care 1 and UGC care 2. Now moving towards UGC care 2, which is our topic. In UGC care, practically I have shown you WOS and second one is Scopus. I have shown you in website directly. This is what we have gone through it. If I have not closed this, this is WOS and this is Scopus. Just remember, before publishing, before investing paper, before investing amount for any journal, please find clone list, please check delisted journal list. It will be very beneficial for you because this list is too big. If journal is delisted from UGC care 2, then don't publish your paper. This is my suggestion. If you want to publish, please publish it, but it will not be indexed in Scopus. This is my assumption. So WOS, and it is also known as SCI indexing. SCI means Science Citation Index. It is the platform in which these two platforms are globally accepted platform, international platform. If you are publishing your paper, then your paper reach will touch internationally. And Scopus is nothing but elsewhere platform. It is launched into 2024 and it is a Dutch platform and now it is worldwide accepted, and we are here for learning what is the citation indexing and what is the platform for WS. My topic was related to software tools. I'm explaining you maximum tools for publishing a research paper. Scopus indexing is next issue. What is our objective is that paper must be published in Scopus. What is our next problem is not only publish the paper, but you have to be indexed with that Scopus journal. When you are publishing your paper in journal, what happens? Scopus is indexed, keep record of your paper in its database. Okay, so very essential that your paper must be published in index journal. Means what we are expecting is there must be indexing available to this paper. Okay, so this is the site scopus.com. You can visit to scopus.com. Please prepare or create your login. It is very essential. You have to open your account. It will first check whether you are robot or not. Then After verification, this is the page you can open. As I am already logged, that's why no need to log in me. You can search any author. For example, number of references are there and you want to search some papers related to those author. If you have some name, surname, affiliation or his or her ORCID ID, you can search your papers in Scopus platform. For example, I am searching my surname, whether this author is available or not on Scopus. So yes, already 4 authors are available, which is having surname WAOO. This is the last name. You can go to that author, you can visit that author and you can see his or her profile, whether it is available. I have number of paper or journals, I have chapters available in my profile. This means this is my paper which is indexed in Scopus journal. This is the meaning. Indexing is very essential. If someone says that your paper will be published in Scopus, you can ask a question whether it will be indexed or not. Because indexing means it's everything is transparent and entering your paper identity into a Scopus database. Anyone can access your journals through this platform. This is what Scopus indexing. You can create your account with your ORCID ID. ORCID ID is very essential. ORCID ID is very essential. Please create or prepare account on ORCID ID. This is the platform in which you will get one unique and identical number. You will get one unique or identical number, which is your identity. If there are multiple authors in the world having name Akhilesh Wow, then you can be identified by your ORCID ID. When you are writing your research paper, try to add your ORCID ID as your affiliation or your identification. Means we are writing our name, then we are writing our affiliation, then you can write ORCID ID, then this line. Please paste your ORCID ID. In this way, your identity preserves. Getting my point? This is a very essential part to open, to create ORCID ID and make your record. Okay? Getting my point or not? I hope this is somewhat one-way communication. So paper is, whether paper is Scopus indexed or not, ये आपको चेक करना है. तो I hope मेरी ये बात आप तक समझ में आ गई होगी. You have to create a profile on this Scopus platform, which is a Elsevier program platform. You can search your authorship by this, or you can search everything. How you can search? By scopus.com. Let us move towards another. This is what another platform of Scopus. I hope screen is visible. Screen is visible. How I can identify different papers from different journals. For example, I have to identify papers from food science. Okay, just click here, apply. You will get a list of journals. 525 journals are there, which is associated to food technology. Main thing is that which journal is good or which journal is bad. Just check its site score. This is the site score. This is the site score. Nature Sustainability is having 41.9. Similarly, Nature Food is having 28.5 and so on. This is what site score. Highest the site score means journal is good, very good. And different platforms are there. You can verify with different matrices. Okay, no issue. Verify by different matrices. I hope getting my point. You can search paper by year wise. Even if you are having no filter, so it will show all the journal. Scopus, all the journal. How much journals are there? 46,000 journals are there which are in Scopus. Now, you can see the best journal in Scopus is Cancer Journal of cleanliness, cleansian, sorry, clinician. It is having 873 of citation score, which is best one. Nature Journal of Cell Biology 173.6. Means, according to this, I am watching number of journals yearly which are performing best. Currently in this year, for 46,704 journals are there. If you want to identify only open access journal, then select open access journal and press apply button. You will see 7,000 something are open access journal. If you thought these are highest ranked journal, I am not able to publish my paper in highest ranked journal, you can identify, search by this, and these are low category or low ranking journal, or they may be not cited yet. This may be the reason, but there can be a chance that this journal is having less expectation other than top journals. Okay, I am removing this filter again. Filter, which filter? Display only open access journal. There are number of quartiles we will discuss by after PPT. So I hope I am explaining Scopus indexing. Then I am going for Scopus author search. I know we have covered this. We have just searched WOW, WAOO, and we found 4 authors, and Akhilesh Wow, myself, is one of them. Now, there are concept of journal ranking. Journals are there. Which journal is best? Which journal is performing somewhat in poor part? So it will generate some citation report. We need some citation report. So one citation report is JCR. Another citation report is CMACO. JCR is generated by Clarivate analysis, in short WS, and SCR is developed by, either you can say SJR is developed by elsewhere, or you can say SCI, or you can say CMAGO, or you can say Scopus. These are journal ranking. Means there must be a ranking mechanism to which we can give some statistics or some parameter that this journal belongs to this rank. So this is very good. I will show you CMAGO after some time. Because today's session is Scopus related, so I'm concentrating on Scopus index search, which is CMAGO. You can say this ranking is SCI rank. This ranking is SCI rank, which is Scopus related journal. Getting my point? Shimago journal. So Shimago journal is what? It is covering thematic areas, various thematic areas, various subjects, and around this number of titles and these number of countries, 239 countries they have covered. Let us see whether I'm able to show you some sort of Shimago statistics. This is what Shimago, SCIMAGO JR.com. This is Shimago journal statistics. It shows, see, अभी हमने ये देखा था, cancer related one journal is there. It is having best citation score. If you are able to publish this, able to publish your paper in these top listed journal, then nothing will be required to prove your personality. It is having H index factor. It is having different parameters. This journal is for 3 years. It is having 124 documents. Means they are not publishing a number of papers. This is from USA, I think, United States. This is Q1 related. Similarly, you can identify number of journal. These are the list with you. You can put next, 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 next. You can see all the listed journals in Shimago. We must aware of it. Shimago means SCI related journal searching is there. You can sort anything. If you think you need some sort of subject related, science related, agriculture related, business related, art or human related, so art and humanities related, 23 journals are there. These are the journals which is related to art and humanities. You can download this data directly for your reference. No need to worry. If you want to go for India, for example, Indian journal, because we are expected that uh, Indians can understand our identity, our objectives. So these are the Indian related journal, which is having different citation factors, and they are in, they are belonging to India. This is the our proud flag, India. We are हम किसी से कम नहीं है. We are having 16 art related journals, which is in SCI or Scopus. This is what you have to search. I am giving only example how to search. Now go for one more task is remaining. I think if we are able to open some journal, I open linguistic and philosophical investigation journal. This is one journal which is belonging to art and humanities. It covers these number of sections. You can publish papers in this journal with this domain. This is belonging to India. Okay, who is the publication? You can see that the name of publisher. What is the H indexing factor? It is two digit. What is the ISSN number? What is the type? It is a journal. What are the coverage? See this 2013 to 2023. This means it is might be it does not cover all statistics of our 2024 is not available here. So go to that homepage and check it whether it is in available in SCI or not. We'll see afterwards. These are the studies which you have to see is statistics are available. It's a SGR statistics is there, journal ranking, हर साल की, year wise, different statistics. It is very essential. It belongs to Q1 category. These are the categories. I will show you after some time what are the meaning of category. This is the journal original website. So always open journal websites from authenticate platform. We have clicked from this website, SCI website, to this website. You can see this. There are acceptance ratio of 16%. Means if 100 papers will be applied, then they are accepting only 16 papers. That's why you have to be in top 16 members. Then and then only you can think that you can publish paper in linguistic and philosophical investigation journal, which is belonging to, I think, Rajasthan. Okay. This is in Scopus. Visit SCI website and check it. If it is in SCI, apply here. No issue. I'm not promoting anything. I'm only explaining randomly. Okay. So this is what I have shown you SCI. Going for next part, I have covered this part. I think you have seen this website link. I think you are able to search any journal. You can put ISSN number and you will find the name and detail of that journal. Click the journal name and you will find all the details. Now what is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4? In simple language, they are quality parameter. If it is in Q1, the best quality journals, second best rank is Q2 and so on. 25%, if I have a slide, then I will show it to you. If, yes, this is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. This is quartile. It is a quality indicator. This journal is quality indicator Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Means what happens? What is the meaning of? So this is used in a Scopus database. This is used in Scopus database, and no doubt this is quality journal. If journal belonging to top 25%, then it is known as Q1. If journal belonging to 25 to 50%, it is getting my point. In this manner, all journals are kept into different rank. So you have to select according to your paper quality, in which quality paper, in for which paper, which quality journal will be useful for you. I am going back. So this is what quality statistics. Now impact factor, we have already discussed this. Impact factor shows that how popular the journal is, how many people taking reference for this journal. This is known as, this can be calculated on citations. Higher number of citations, if any paper is getting from different journals, then that journal's impact factor will no doubt will be a best one. So this is impact factor. Now how we will calculate impact factor, that is next question. Impact factor, how we are calculating impact factor. This is the next question. I'm explaining you. See, impact factor calculation is not a tough task. Impact factor calculation means we are only make a division. This is what my laser point pen. We are dividing A by B. A is nothing but citation and B is nothing but articles. For example, total number of citations are 270 and total number of papers are 210. For 210, 210, 210 papers, total number of citations we have received, count is 270. Then we have to divide it, and this is what the impact factor. This is the impact factor calculated for Scopus journals. Again, I am requesting, I am again explaining, total number of articles is B and number of articles published in A. Citation and article count. We have covered already. Various quartile journal, we already discussed it. There are Q1 journal, having good citation SGR ratio is there. Similarly, Q2, Q3 journals are there, and some journals are in list. They are not assigned any quartile because might be they are performing in the beginning, but having best SGR. So in future, there might a chance that they will assign some Q1, Q2, Q3 status. So we have to aware about Scopus indexing and their features. Similarly, I have to go for WS. I have somewhat time. I think आप बोर नहीं हुए होंगे. मैं कोशिश करता हूँ आपके लिए. WS के सर्चिंग की बात करते हैं. It is Clarivate analysis. I can search anything from this. ना मैं यहाँ से कोई भी जर्नल को सर्च कर सकता हूँ. Whether journal is in WS or not. मैंने एक ISSN नंबर टाइप किया, रैंडम नंबर था. We can search this. और अगर ऐसा सर्च नहीं करना है तो I can search, I think, computer. I have to search some journals related to computer fields. Wow, 2300 plus journals are there. Okay, you can open any of the journal. You can open any of the journal. My God, I have not signed in. It will take time. So in place of that login page, I am going to search something again. So you can search number of journals. These are journals. These are the statistics. What are the ISSN number and what are the EISSN number? This is belonging to SCIE, SCI expanded. Okay. If there are some extra sources or information, they will present this information over here. Now, on the basis of country, on the basis of frequency, on the basis of different parameters, you can also search the journal. For example, computer related journal from India. So I have searched India. It is in front of you. From New Delhi, there are AI related journal, which is in WS, Clarivate analysis, some cyber crime related journal. So you can search journal from country wise. This is one filter. If suppose I am removing this filter, I am asking, I need some journal जो frequently मतलब monthly print होता है, because हर एक व्यक्ति को you need always what you need is publish a paper as early as possible. For example, I am searching a journal which publish papers weekly. Means I am submitting a paper. And we are expecting some result within a week. Though these are the journal which publish papers weekly, or I can find these are the journal which print paper monthly. This is very important key for research scholar, because guide always put a pressure, boss always put a pressure, publish a paper as early as possible. Okay, you are having number of concepts. Open listed journal, you can open the paper. This is very good things. Even there are category. I think मुझे category को zoom करके दिखाना चाहिए. I am trying to open this in front of you. This is the categories. You must aware of this. Core collection categories of WS: SCI expanded, SCIE, SCI index, SCIC, Art and Humanities index, AHCI, and emerging source citation index, ESCI. You can use such type of category. There are domain specific category. There are other type of indexing category are there. All these index paper, which is suppose some papers are in life sciences, so you can search life sciences related paper which is in WOS. So please do this. This is very essential. This is very important part which I have to explain to you. So it's again a time to ask your question. If any questions with you, please you can ask me. If any question with you can ask me. Or you can put this. I think no questions are there. Are you available or not? I hope things are in proper manner or way. We have to continue as we have lack of time. This is what our slide. Just you have to search and identify. Going for plagiarism. If you are expecting papers are published in somewhat, wait. So we can move towards next part. It is the important part, which is plagiarism. Sorry, I have received one call. That's why I have to take break. So plagiarism is related with creating content. Everyone knows, but after knowing everything, we are going for crime, and this crime is not good. It is a crime which is related to kidnapping some data. You know? So kidnapping data means copy pasting a data. So try to avoid such type of things. This is not a proper practice. For a good practitioner, it is not important to copy and paste the things. Don't copy the content from any website and say that this is my content. This is really a crime. Don't say his content is yours. Okay, it's a serious academic offense, and that's why there are your number of plagiarism tools developed by UGC, and UGC is preventing copy paste or hacking of text by using plagiarism test. So UGC is giving us notification in the form of regulation that promotion of academic integrity and prevention of plagiarism in higher education institution. So please read this notification. Objective is nothing but create awareness, detect plagiarism, prevent plagiarism, and punish the criminals. Of course, you are the criminals if you are copying the content and saying that this content is yours. So there are category of plagiarism. One is completely plagiarism. Just replace your name, copy entire content from one source and say that this is mine. Wrong. Please do not do this. Then next is copy paste. You're copying some textual content, paragraph. Please avoid this. Next is paraphrasing. What you are doing? You are having AI tools. You are using one paragraph, and what you are saying, rephrase the text means rewriting means rephrasing, and rephrasing is not good part. Again, I am saying rephrasing is plagiarism, and self plagiarism means you can copy the content from your papers itself. So this is also not acceptable. So what is the need? We have to go for plagiarism checker software. I'm again saying throughout the PhD, MTech and research work, try to type your own content. Avoid copy paste. Throughout the PhD. Throughout the PhD. So ensure the originality. Help to identify, okay, accidentally, if you are getting some content in website, it is accidental case, plagiarism will identify and it will generate the data. assist in maintaining high standard writing, provide details reports, and identify the AI generated content. Whether you have generated AI content or not, you have used AI content or not. These are the basically penalties for guides also. Basically plagiarism, when you are writing your paper, for guide it is also problematic. You and your guide, research scholar and research guide, both will get the problem, and this is what it is offense. Now up to 10% plagiarism, then withdrawal of the manuscript. If you are sending some text, if you are sending some paper to someone, if plagiarism in 10 to 14 per 40%, then it will be withdrawal. It will be the best if you are withdrawing your research paper. Okay. If it is more than that, it can be suggested by journal that rewrite the paper. Now, what are the tools available? What are the tools available? What are the tools available? So the tools are Quillboard tools, and number of much more tools are available. So give me permission for taking one call. Okay, let us continue what we are saying, that there is a concept of plagiarism. Plagiarism free content is the priority for PhD. So remember, your content must be plagiarism free. And how you can make it plagiarism free? There are number of softwares which is freely available. There are testing softwares also there, but I am suggesting that purchase some license software in this case, because you need number of time plagiarism process, and for that you need to either take help from external bodies, or or purchase your software, no issue, whatever. This is one example I have put in front of you. I think my screen is visible to you. This is the example. In this example, what happens? I have scanned one document. And there are some concept there are some text which is available on net. So this is the concept which is available on net, and available on net means there are 10% matching. There are 10% matching for this content. I have written one paper, and paper is having 10% of match. 7.2% are identical. 1.3% requires minor changes, and paraphrase contents are also available. It shows I have used 2.3% AI related paraphrase content. So this is what the report which is generated by some software. This is my Quillboard premium version, so it shows me everything is there. I had done this scanning 2 days before. After that, it gives me every information. This is a plagiarism software which is nothing but identifying the copy paste content from the website for your paper, and highlight that content from where you have copied and how many of text you have copied from the website. It highlighted this. See, my highlight content is in reference part. In reference part, this is the highlighted content. Means I have used the reference part as it is from the website, and we have to change it with different notation. Means this is a good. And the plagiarism, 10% plagiarism is good plagiarism, because there may be a chance that 10% can be matched. So it is acceptable heading. Similarly, you can use different plagiarism softwares. You can purchase, download the softwares. This is my another license copy. I have not activated plagiarism checker X. This is also good. I have not activated. I have to upgrade it. I have a license copy of it. You have to put your copy or load the content, and it will check whether the content is plagiarism free or not. I have pasted some content. I don't know what I have pasted. I have pasted some content, and I have to check the plagiarism. It is so easy, and it will be check this content by internet. Of course, we need internet here. Without internet, no one can check it whether this is available or not on the internet. So okay, it is very simple document, I think. There are few words and 100% unique content is there. This is best practice from my side. Even plagiarism, how much stuff you want to make, 4 word matching, 5 word matching, 6 word matching, you can making it accordingly. So these are some software. I have a lack of time, so I have to move to another slide. This is Quillboard, complete writing solution. By Quillboard, you can paraphrase the things, grammar check you can perform. Similarly, there is Turnitin software, but currently University UGC is now dealing with Drillbit, and Drillbit is the software by which you can identify. This is the outcome of Drillbit report. In Drillbit report, it also identifies the AI based content. Now it is the result. 5% are matching. This is the outcome. See this, 96% AI. It means nothing is hidden from universe. Don't do such activities in which AI contents are there. Oh, I'm reaching to somewhat end. This is conclusion part. Conclusion means my objective is to go for uh, identifying tools, but before concluding the thing, I am expecting to show you something. Give me some permission for showing Google Scholar. Google SCHOLAR. This is very good platform. This is the platform which is free of cost. This is the platform from Google. If you have a Google account, it is directly login, no issue. You can log in, and you can, if you are starting PhD, please search titles from this place. Suppose I'm searching some topic from wireless sensor network. This is the wireless sensor network. I would like to search some survey papers or information related to routing protocol. This is information related to routing protocols. These are the papers available on Google. These number of papers available on Google, which is for research. Now you can put some queries since 2023. You want latest paper only. Just click over here. All papers from 2023 and 24, you can see only those papers. Even you can see the papers of 2024 only. Okay. The good part is that if the open copy is available, then it shows in this section. See, in the right side, if the paper is available, then directly you can open that PDF, because we need PDF for complete paper. We are not able to purchase all subscriptions. So these are the MDPI journal best paper. You can read it. If something is for your useful, for example, this paper is very useful for you, then just read this content, put into word, and rewrite the content in your words. Okay. If you are starting research, identify the limitation of this word. If there are some limitation or something is remaining, something is remaining. So they have already explained something. Energy limitations are there, or research limited. What are the research limited? What are the loopholes remaining part? So this is the Google Scholar. No need to open it. No need to create it. Just access directly. You can sort it. You can patent. You can see the patent only. So you can see the patents. Now you can very easily see the patent. Very easy concepts are there. Please go for it. This is Google Scholar. If you prepare your Google Scholar, then you can see my Google Scholar. For example, my Google Scholar. This is my profile. This is my profile. I am having 19 citations, and I have H index 10 papers and I10 index 10 papers are there. Means 10 papers are there having citation more than 5 or more. 10 papers are there having citation more than 10 or more. This is a good statistic. These are my co-authors, which I have already had. It gives me suggestions to add my co-author. If I find this is my Nitesh Kushwaha, then I can put okay. If this is not my Nitesh Kushwaha, it is randomly multiple persons are there, I have to remove it. Getting my point? I can add number of authors. Even I can cite my paper, search my paper year wise. I can search my paper with citation wise. This is my profile, and you can create your own profile. Number of papers you can add here, and you can see show more. One more thing before concluding the thing, because PPT is over, concept is not over. So this is the Google Scholar. I think everyone is having Google Scholar link, and this is what you have to put: Google Scholar link. You have to use Orchid link. You have to use Vidwan link. You have to use Scopus link. You have to use Elsewhere link. You have to use Loop link, and many more. Even you have to use. Please prepare a ResearchGate account. I think everyone is belonging to authenticate locations. Please create your account and follow me. What happens? My research network becomes your research network. Please create your account in ResearchGate. The limitation is that ResearchGate give permission if you have only authenticate mail ID of your organization. For example, my authenticate mail ID is akhilesh_e1735 @aksuniversity.com. aksuniversity.com. So @gmail.com is not sufficient to open a ID. What you have to do is you have to keep such ID with you and create registration. And I'm requesting, follow me. I'm not requesting you to follow me on Facebook or something else. Follow me on ResearchGate so as to my all research profile becomes yours, and you will see everything. You can highlight your important research, and what happens, it's like a commercial ad. You have seen OLX, main research paper becomes your spotlight paper. So you can add or increase your citations, because that spotlight paper becomes 4x more read. So please go for it. I think my English is bearable for you. Make ResearchGate account and generate your spotlight profile. Generate your spotlight profile. You can add your article, books, chapters, conference papers, various data, research project, presentation, poster, and many more. This is what you can. मेरी my इच्छा my प्लीज क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में, मेरी इच्छा पूर्ण कर दो. Make your profile and upgrade your profile. Similarly, if you are belonging to any UGC, AICT like universities, though, to create your Vidwan profile. Vidwan portal. Vidwan portal. Prepare your Vidwan portal. This is my new Windows 10. That's why I have to log into every platform. Prepare your Vidwan platform, and in that platform, it gives graphical statistics. Prepare. Before going to any interview, you must have multiple profile. So please prepare it. I am not sure whether I am able to log in it. I will try in front of you only. I don't know, because I have just installed new Windows. It may take time. Let us take time. So what is the name of this portal? Vidwan portal. What is the name of this portal? Vidwan portal. So don't miss this portal. Wow. This is my profile, and you can see this profile with different mode and graphical statistics. You have to add all the IDs in one place. This is very good part. Add all IDs. Okay, this is very good part, because this is the Government of India, Bharat Sarkar, Government of India MHRD portal. And please add all things, if possible, everything. After adding this, it is having one best feature. It gives you ready-made CV. You can direct download your CV from this place. This is very unique feature from this portal. This is my CV. I can forward my CV to anyone. Anytime I can generate my CV and I can send to anyone. This is very good part of this. And similar concept is with Research Scholar. Just Control P and take a printout of your research papers and make a PDF. This is the platform by which no need to make any edit and creation of any text. No need to use any text editor. This is what my profile, collection of all the research paper with citations and my details. So this is very good things for you. And last thing which I would like to explain for girls candidate, lady, go for Sherni. Register yourself in Sherni. She RIN. Sherni from Inflibnet. I don't know whether it will be open. In morning it is not open. Sherni profile only for girls or women. Please open your login, create your login in Sherni platform. Similarly, you will get different subject expert in subject domain. Everyone is women. So this is very good initiative for Government of India, that this Sherni profile make provide you a unique identity as a lady. How much patent to top candidates? If you are scientists, if you are faculties, how much of you? If you are research scholars, how much of you? And what are citations? This is the best platform from Government of India, which is a platform from Information and Library Network Center. Research Sherni means She Research Network. So this is unique thing. I think I have many more things, but time restrictions are there. So what is my objective? What was my objective? My objective is to prepare yourself to use various software tools to prepare a perfect paper, research paper, and objective is to publish your paper in respected journal, so as to you become respected in your domain. Show yourself that you are the best. So what is my suggestion? Upgrade yourself. And I'm not this. You can do it. This is a reality. You can do it. Once again, explore your research horizon. This is Dr. Akhilesh Yevav, Associate Dean and Head, Computer Science. I'm expecting, if you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm ready to answer you. I hope I'm giving much more information to you. If you have any question, please ask me. I'm always for you. Yes, I got one thumb or a like. Thank you very much for that thumb. That was unique for me. I'm sharing my contact number. If you need, if you want to contact me, please follow me on ResearchGate, because objective is only research. Objective is not promotion. Objective is research, and you become a valuable personality if you are having best ResearchGate score, best Google Scholar score, no doubt. Any questions from your side? Maybe you can say it's a query session. Thank you very much to you that you are now associated with me for a long time. If management of this workshop has taken some screenshot, I'm requesting them to please share some screenshot with me, because screenshots are our memory. And even I am informing to those candidate who is in university or somewhere else for NBA or NAC, you have to prove that you have to attend, you have attended that workshop or webinar. Please take a screenshots. I'm once again sharing my PPT just a while, so as to you can take screenshots. Just take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot. It is very essential. And if possible, we open your video along with your photo or video, take a screenshot and show to your NAC team or NBA team that you have attended a 5 days FDP, because 5 days means 1 week FDP is very essential for API score, salary increment, NAC, NBA sort of presentations. So I am requesting to take a screenshot It's very simple concept. Take a screenshot. I'm giving you opportunity to take a screenshot. Please take screenshots. You can take any one of it. Condition is that open your video and take screenshot. Okay, thank you very much for this, for giving me 2 hours of time. I'm very obliged to be with you. I'm very happy. Anything else? Yes.
No, so this is Kartika, event organizer of Pencil Bits. Like I would like to know, like, if we have no questions, shall we wind up or shall we wait for
No, no. You can
someone
wind up. Yes, yes. No issue. Thank you, dear participants, and thank you, management team. You both are giving your time, 2 hours of time, and no formalities. I am expecting your touch. These workshop basically made for such type of activities. Touch with pencil bit and touch with Dr. Akhilesh. Thank you very much once again. Bye bye. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, sir. The session was very informative and interactive. Thank you.
Thank you. You may leave now.
Yes, sir. I request all the participants to leave the session and kindly join with the same link for upcoming sessions. Thank you.
Bye bye.